Hey everybody, it's Chris from Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. I just want to announce we have some new tools today. We are now a full line dealer of Melbourne tools here. They got some cool innovations. So everything has a Norris style adjuster. So what that means is you can adjust how the blade tilts right and left off the back, as well as adjust the blade in and out. We also have a convex and a convex and a flat blade spoke shave. This one's the convex, and the cool thing about their spoke shaves is they actually have a cork grip onto them. So if your hands are sweaty in the shop or whatever, you can actually grip them very nicely. We also have some router planes from them. These router planes are cool, and what makes these a little bit more beneficial than some of the other ones on the market is it actually has like a chisel style blade in it, so you can put it in your regular bench plane sharpener and sharpen it like you regularly would your bench plane or your chisel. And you have your adjustment on the back here, and same thing for the little bitty guy. We also now have we have a joiner, a smoother, and a rougher for the hand planes. So like a number 4, a 5, and then a 7. This will be like your 5. They're all low angle, but the cool thing about them is because it is a low angle, you can either sharpen the blade however you wish, or have multiple blades sharpened at different angles. So if you have curly woods or figured woods, you can make this at a higher pitch angle, or if you got some soft poplar or something, you can bring the angle down, or so on and so forth. And all three of them have that, as well as the low angle block plane is like that as well. They all have adjustment in the front as well, so you can fine tune the depth of your you can see it moving right here. You can fine tune the depth of your cut, as well as open it up or close it, whatever you need to do. What makes the Melbourne tools so interesting? So number one is the price point. They're right in above the contractor line and the sweetheart line of your Stanley tools, like you see here behind me. But they're also not as expensive as your Lee Nielsen, your Veritas, and so on. So they're right in that sweet spot where you can have a really nice plane or block plane or router plane, whatever you have it, at an affordable price that is pretty much ready to go. Maybe need a little bit sharpening. But other than that, sharpening a blade 10 minutes at the max, and once you have it that angle that you like, 2 minutes every time you need to touch it up. So that makes it really beneficial. You're not spending hundreds of dollars. You're spending 150 to up to 250 depending on if you get the big one or not, rather than $700, so that makes these really cool to have these tools in here at Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. We are also one of the first full-line dealers of Melbourne tools in North America right now. We don't stock the replacement blades yet, but we can special order them for you. It takes a couple days to get them in. Other than that, it's all good to go. I'm Chris with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's presentation of Coffee and Grit is brought to you by Woodworker Joe Whole Bean Coffee, a perfect blend of light, medium, and dark roast, roasted and packaged right here in North Carolina, exclusively at woodworkingshop.com.
If there's a product you'd like featured on Coffee and Grit, let us know at 800-228-0000 or email us at tech@woodworkingshop.com.